High quality, high efficiency material, dense foam that will ideal for wet pickup. Compatibility. Compatible with SL18910P-3, SL18130P, SL18133, SL18129. Washable and reusable. You can use it again after drying. Warm tips. It is recommended that the filter be cleaned every 1 to 2 months. What you get. 1 pack 25-1202 vacuum foam filter. Stanley vacuum foam filter, fits 1 to 5 gallon wet, dry vacuum. Whether you are cleaning your garage, workshop, indoor floors, picking up liquids, cleaning your car, or cleaning up outdoors, the Stanley vacuum filter make cleanup easier, quicker and more efficient. The filter is compatible with Stanley wet-dry vacuums SL18910P-3, SL18130P, SL18133, SL18129. It can be cleaned up in a short time, saving you time and effort. Top reviews from the United States. Great quality. Huge roll, could hide every cord in the house with this one roll. Came with a couple Velcro ties and a coupon for some of their other products. Exactly what I wanted.